Today we will be testing the EMA difference histogram and stochastic. Before we do, if you have not watched the first videos on the channel and the videos after that, you need to go do that now. Here at the Academy of Forex, we are building the best trading system possible as a team. You can find a link down below to sign up for Tradingview. If you use that link, you'll save a little bit of money on your account. You can also find a link below to join us on Discord. If you are interested in a full list of all the indicators and strategies that we have tested along with their win rates, you can sign up for our Patreon. And you will receive a full list of all the indicators and strategies that we have tested. You can find a link to our Patreon down below in the description. We also have a Patreon-only exclusive Discord channel where we will give you a list of winning indicators, a list of winning strategies, post trade ideas, give advanced advice, and much more. So click the link below to join our Patreon. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing the EMA difference histogram and stochastic. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 101 different strategies, with 29 of them being winners. The best one so far was able to achieve an 84% win rate. That is the Academy of Forex indicator with the Z-score probability indicator. I'll put a thumbnail of that video up on screen right now, and I'll also link to it at the end of this video with that same thumbnail. That way you can just go straight to that video and watch that on the best strategy that we have tested so far. We've also tested a total of 952 indicators, with 369 of them being winners. The best ones so far were able to achieve a 100% win rate. Now you need to go back and watch those videos to understand the context of how they were able to achieve that. So go back and watch those videos and see what you can get out of those winning indicators. We've also retested in the advanced testing 110 of the winning indicators. 39 of them have been able to maintain the winning status, the best two, a 76% win rate. And keep in mind that we test most of these indicators and strategies on the Forex and crypto market, but they can be applied to just about any market and time frame universally. Okay, so today we are testing the EMA difference histogram and stochastic, and you can see it here on the bottom of the screen. And so the source video claims, surprise, surprise, that this is the best buy-sell indicator on Tradingview, or the best indicator that gives buy and sell signals, something along those lines. And so obviously we know that it's quite a claims of that, and as I said in the last video, I think I'm stuck in an algorithm loop on these buy-sell indicators. But like I said, then it also gives us some interesting indicators to test. And so you can see the indicator down here at the bottom of the screen. I did go in and make a few changes. On the color 1, I turned down the opacity to 0. On the color 2, turn down the opacity to 0. And on the stochastic bull, I turned the opacity to 100. And stochastic bear, the opacity to 100. That gives us what we're looking at here. And so what the source video said that we should do, and the indicator page also explains this, is that what we are looking for is we are looking for these vibrant greens and vibrant reds. And so that's where turning down the lighter ones came into play. The color 1 and color 2, they were lighter in their opacity. And so the source video, and like I said, the indicator page says that we should look for the vibrant green, and you should look for the, I believe, stochastic down here is what it is, to also confirm. And so when we get a vibrant green bar and the stochastic is in the green 0 position, I guess it is a 0, then that is a signal to go long. And then when it said that when you got a light green, which was the light lesser opacity green, that would be a signal to then exit. But of course, we're just going to use our take profit and stop like we normally do. And so now on the reverse side, when we get a vibrant red bar, which is the ones that we have colored now, and we have a red X to confirm, that's going to be a signal to go short. And so that's how we're going to test it. Let's go ahead and get on with the testing and see what we can get out of it. Alright, the first signal that we pick up is a short signal as we get that red bar right there, red vibrant bar, and we have a red X to confirm. Let's go ahead and play this forward a little bit here. And it looks like immediately we get a spike right back to the upside there. And it does reject that push to the downside and does unfortunately stop us out. We do pick up a long signal right here as we get that green bar and the green 0 right there. Looks like we make a decent little push to the upside. Not quite enough to get us to our take profit. Let's see. See if we got there. Yep, we barely got to our take profit right here on this one. Alright, so what I'm going to do now is just go ahead and fast forward through the rest of the testing. That way things don't get too long. And we'll pick this up when we are at the end of the year. Alright, so that puts us at the end of the testing right there. Before we take a look at what this was able to achieve, if you are looking for a profitable trading strategy, I highly suggest you check out the best strategy that we have tested on the channel here. It was able to achieve an 84% win rate. I'll put a screenshot up of the thumbnail to that video right now. I'll link to it up in the corner, and I'll also link to it at the end of this video with that same thumbnail. Like I said, it is a highly profitable trading strategy, was able to achieve an 84% win rate. It uses one of our custom indicators that we've developed here on the channel, as well as a Tradingview indicator, and all around it is a wonderful trading strategy. I highly recommend you check that out. And so there is a lot of benefits to becoming a patron of the channel. I highly recommend it. Alright, so let's go ahead and take a look at our indicator here. Get the scroll back a little bit there. Alright, let's go ahead and count it out and see what we have. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. So we have 20 trades all together, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and 13 winning trades. And so that will put us over that 60% criteria that we were looking for. Now, oddly enough, this indicator does not give us buy and sell signals, not buy and sell signals as I would generally think of them. Typically, you would get a actual buy, B tag, green tag, something along those lines, and then a sell tag. And so as far as the claim that it gives perfect buy and sell signals, I'd say it doesn't really give buy and sell signals, and didn't do so perfectly, did so okay. 20 trades within the 1 year's time isn't too bad with over a 60% win rate. Not too bad of an indicator. So this one will definitely go on the yes list, and we'll move on to the next video from here.